Hello, Grateful Gang, Gang, Gang. Please pardon my tardiness. I know I'm supposed to do this on Friday, but the weekend was busy. And so I'm here on this good Sunday, and we're going to be picking our our giveaway winners. Look at all these names, y'all. Look at all these names. Let me go ahead and shuffle a little bit. These are all the names of all my good people who went ahead and have been supporting me and watching the videos through. So you're able to see there was a giveaway, and I appreciate you so very much. So without further ado, let's press the button. No way! I'm sorry, I'm screaming. What? Either one of those coming up on the curb right there, I'd have been so excited for. I saw Hopeful Budgeter, Medora's Budget. I was like, wait a minute. Okay, so excited. Cynthia hit me up on IG. I think you have IG for sure. If not, hit me up on an email so I could cash app you or Zelle. Hopefully Zelle, you have Zelle. Zelle you this $20. Let's put it towards that Christmas. Let's get that PTO going. I'm so excited that you are the winner. Thank you all for participating. Hopefully, there will be some more opportunities to do some giveaways in the coming weeks. And thank you, everyone. I love you all. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye. Jesse. Yeah, look, it would have been frugality, Medora. I'd have been neat. It'd have been good with anybody. Okay. I love you all. Bye.